What's up, guys? Welcome to day 3 of my small account challenge. I got some unfortunate news. I hit the max loss again today, and I got some important takeaways that I'm going to be going through at the end of this video. For now, I just want to go over the trades from today. So let me switch over to the screen share and let's go over it. So the first stock I took around 19 trades today, and I'll go over all of it. First one I took was a green trade, 690 net profit. So had the right idea, got in right here for the break through this high. I got in kind of late, filled kind of late, and I think because I've had a couple red days in a row, I didn't let the trade work out, and I exited pretty quickly when I could have just let this run. It went all the way to 2.91. Let me see what I got in at. I got in at 2.53. So with 300 shares, that would have been like almost $120 profit or $120 gain. So that's unfortunate. Next trade was on GV again. And this trade, I thought it was gonna go past 2.90. Let's see where I got in. So I got in right there, and this honestly kind of threw me off. I pressed the wrong hotkey on my keyboard, and it kind of just hid all the windows, and by the time I opened it up again, it was going down, and I didn't cut my losses quickly enough, and it resulted in a $54 loss. I think part of the reason why I didn't cut the losses quickly was because the stock has strong momentum, and I was hoping it would just like dip and rip, but as we can see here, that was not the case. So I sold it down here for a $54 loss. Next trade was on GV again. Let's see. So I don't even know why I bought this right here. I should have at least let this candle close before getting in again. So I bought right there, sold right there. Let me see. So 2.69, 2.60. So I think I cut the loss pretty quickly, but this was just not a trade I should have taken. I think this was part of revenge trading, which I don't know. I let my emotions get the best of me again. Next trade was on GV again, and after this trade, I should have been done with the day just because it should be 3 strikes and you're out. I got in right there, anticipating the break of this 1 minute candle right here. Did not happen. Cut the loss again within 7 cents, resulting in a $21 loss. And at this point, let's see, I was down 93 bucks. Next trade was on GV again, and I actually did get some profit on that, but minimal, nothing significant. So I got in right here at 2.6, and I sold at 2.61. Looking at this trade now, I should have never gotten in this because the MACD was closing and I didn't wait for a 1 minute candle to make a new high. I think part of the reason here was I was probably getting antsy. I wanted to lock in some profits, but this was not the way to do it. I think one of the biggest things in trading is that you have to be patient, and today I was not patient. So next trade, minimal profit again. Got in at 2.53, sold at 2.54. Let me see where I got in. So this one, I could have held it a bit longer. This went all the way up to 2.65. Could have gotten like 12 cents out of that, but I was just being careful. Got some profit and closed it. Next trade was on GV again, $6 in profit again. Let me see. Got in right at the high and sold right here. 2.61, 2.63. So you could say I got lucky with this because I avoided this big flush right here, which was nearly 30 cents. My next trade was on SMCI. I was scalping this yesterday. This is a large cap stock. It's not really part of Ross Cameron's strategy, but I had some luck with this today, and I thought I would try my luck with it today as well. So yeah, traded. I traded this, I think like 10 times today. Got in right there and sold pretty quick again. I was just capturing the wins pretty quickly, so I got a 3 cent gain right there. Next trade, kind of the same setup. Got in right there, sold a bit too soon. Oh wait, this was GV. So I honestly had a pretty good entry over here. Really good entry, but I sold too soon. I sold much too soon. SMCI again. So I got caught in this knife edge. Got in at the top over here. I was anticipating a new 1 minute candle to make a new high. It didn't. Went all the way down. I wonder what the 5 minute was looking like at this time. Let me check it out. So yeah, when I got in, it looked like we were about to reverse on the MACD for the 5 minute. So that already put me down 177 on the day. Next loss was on GV again. I wish I just kept all those shares. Look at where it ended up going to 4.5. That's crazy. But yeah, took a $6 loss here. I had the right idea again. Sold too soon again. I think I gotta let my trades kind of work for me and not sell so quick, in my opinion. I think I gotta work on my risk management. My risk management was the max I'm willing to risk on each trade. So if on this one I got in at 2.43, which is right here. What's right here? 2.42, 2.28. See, that's like almost a 15 cent 15 cents of risk. But I mean, it would have worked out in my favor. Just 15 cents of risk when I'm already down $200 just doesn't do well for me. Traded GV again, right there. I'm pretty sure it was on those same candles. Got in right there, sold right there for a $20 gain. GV again, small winner. Got in at the top, sold before this big drop right here. So I consider myself lucky with that trade again. And I guess that's part of the reason why I'm selling so quickly. I just don't want to get caught in those, to be honest. Having been caught in those before, it does not feel good. So yeah, I just want to sell it quick. So after that, I switched back to SMCI. Missed this whole move right here because I was too distracted with GV. Got in right here at 40.5, went down to 40.08. I kind of let this work out for me just because like of the moves we've been seeing. So I was pretty confident it was going to come back up, especially because the MACD was green. So I sold that for a $15 gain. And then I took another stab at it right here. Got it right there, sold too quick. MACD was green. This was only a 5 cent gain, but yeah, I sold too quick and it went without me. Similar trade right here. This was FOMO. This was for sure FOMO. I felt like I missed out on this big candle right here, and I was hoping for the next leg up to 40.7. Didn't happen, sold too quick. So this was a 6 cent winner. Not bad, but could be better. I mean, green is good, green is great. So that's all that matters. Traded SMCI again. Oh, got caught. And I didn't sell until the MACD reversed. This was just taking risk on my part, but I should have sold right here. Like my max risk on this should have been the low of this candle, which just by itself is already 40 cents. But yeah, I held onto it for way longer than I should have. And then, let's see, traded GV again. This trade did not meet any of the rules that Ross Cameron teaches, by the way. This was already on the backside of the move. It was during consolidation. The MACD was red. I didn't wait for a 1 minute candle to make a new high. And yeah, that's why I lost on it. $35 loss. And then this was my last trade of the day on SMCI. So this trade, we were down quite a bit, and I was hoping it would just bounce off of here because it was a double bottom. It did not bounce, continued going lower. Sold it for a 14-cent loss, resulting in a $14 loss with the 100 shares I traded. And yeah, that put me down $299.50 for the day. With fees subtracted, it was actually, let's see, $336.25. So yeah, overall, not a great day. I need to take it much slower. I don't think I should be trading this much per day, and I should definitely be following the rules, which I'm gonna start doing. Some takeaways from today are sticking to the strategy, not straying from it, not averaging down, taking the small base hits, which I did do today, cutting losses quick, which I didn't on a couple trades, and they resulted in a couple big losses. Not letting my emotions get the best of me, getting green and getting out. And one other rule I set for myself is starting tomorrow, I'm only gonna do one trade per day until I get back over a $3,000 account balance. But with that being said, I do have some good news to which kind of softened the blow today. I did also take a options call on SMCI, which I made $112 on. So I guess that if you subtract 112 from 336, I'm only down 224 for the day, which again, red is red. There's nothing great about it, but it did soften the blow. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I want to thank everyone who's been watching my videos so far. I think the first video got close to 300 views, which I was not expecting at all, and over 10 of you have subscribed, so thank you for that. If you like these videos, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to watch the rest of the journey, and yeah, peace out.